Okay, we're going to go ahead and complete Isocirc 1 in this demonstration. So let's open up a new part. Let's go ahead and start a 2D sketch. And for this one, we're going to once again use the front view, which is the XY plane. Now, as you probably saw in the last video, ISO line 7, we're going to approach this very much the same way. We're going to start with a rectangle, or I can right-click and select two-point rectangle. And this rectangle is going to start at the origins. Let's click once. As I move up and over, I've got to remember that I'm going to be using the tab key here shortly. So do not hit enter after typing in the first number. You're actually going to be hitting the tab key in just a moment. The first number represents the length. So let's type in 4, which is the length of this object in the front view. Let's hit our tab key, and our height is 2.5. Go ahead and hit enter now. Okay, front view is going off the screen, so let's do a zoom all. This is going to be actually a simple drawing here. We're just going to select the circle tool. And one thing that's nice about Inventor is you hover over a line. You should find the midpoint. There it is, that big green dot. Let's go ahead and click once. Remember, whenever you click, you always release the mouse button. Just move in the direction you want to draw the geometry. Now be very careful. Our paper says radius 1 1/4, but Inventor is actually asking for the diameter of this half circle. So we're going to double 1 1/4. That should give us 2.5 or 2.5. Let's type that in and hit enter. Let's do another zoom all. And if you're not careful here, if you do not remove this line, you actually will find this will not extrude properly. So we're going to use the trim option, and we're just going to hover over this line here. You can see what's going to be trimmed is the part that's dashed. Let's just click once, and honestly we can just leave this the other half of the circle here. That should not be an issue. So let's go ahead and hit finish sketch. Let's do a zoom all. Let's go ahead and do an extrude. I'm going to go ahead and select this face right here. We're actually going to go away from us with a distance of 1.5. There it is. Let's go ahead and do a zoom all again. Let's hit the home button. You have completed Isocirc 1. Go ahead and save your work.